What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back, man. Salute. Shout out to the Vote Army. Happy 1 year Voteversary. We made it 1 year in the space. We survived throughout a bear market. Now, what's very special about this is the time that we're building right now is resembling of other crypto projects like OpenSea, Coinbase, Binance, things that were built during the bear market that came out on top during the bull market. If y'all remember, when shibainu first started off, it actually took around 10 months before shibainu really did anything. Now, voteinu is at that 12-month mark, but you got to remember, we're doing this entering into a bear market. Shibainu, launched entering into a bull market. So, times are a little different right there. But what do you think is going to happen when, the bull market returns? Voteinu is becoming a household name. More and more people are learning about it each and every day. The community is growing stronger. So when the bull market does return, and the people in the space are looking for true community generated or true community governed projects that really have strong communities, they're definitely going to be tapping into voteinu. So let's take a look at some of the things that were posted over the day. Shout out to y'all. Drop in the comment section, how long have you been in the Vote Army? Y'all know we've been in from the beginning, man. So salute to all y'all that been holding it down with the channel. Also, shout out to all the voteinu community members that put out content, pass out flyers, whatever you do to support the Vote Army, man. Shout out to you. That's what it's about. It's about community effort, all of us working together to make sure everybody knows about it, and that way, more and more people want to join the fam. So shout out to Omni Finance. Said, wow, 1 year of voteinu, 1 year. We gotta come show love to all of this today. Voteinu says Jay Gagan was locked out of his Twitter account last week due to his account being compromised by a user or service not associated with Twitter. He has no access to Twitter and can't change his password. Can a dev do something? Twitter support. So we definitely gotta show Jake some support on this. Let's get this out. Let's tag Twitter in this real quick and Twitter support. We need Jake to get his account back. He's one of the people that supports the Vote Army. So we definitely want to make sure, he can continue doing that. So shout out to Jake, man, real one. Shout out to Ozzy as well. Said vote reversal incoming. If you add all the volume it has accumulated at those levels, support, resistance, and flip, people that got in late are getting out, and that's what you call paper hands. None of those voted bag holders are selling. Charges on live, voteinu. So let's take a look real quick. Let's take a look over here at the chart. Make sure y'all can see this. Okay, so what we have here is voteinu chart. I simply have, the percentage back to our November high. So if we go look at the November 18th high back around that 2300 level, from where we are sitting right now, that is about a 152% gain. Also, take a look at some of these indicators. We are on the 4-hour chart, and we got the RSI well below a 35, sitting around a 21. So if you're somebody who understands support and resistance levels when buyers are looking to step in, this is one of those levels. So whether you're a short-term trader or long-term, you want to add some for the long-term position at a cheaper price, right now would be a good time to. It's not financial advice. And if you're a short-term trader looking to buy the dip and sell the rip, then right now will also be a good time. It is heavily oversold. That means investors are undervaluing it right now. They're not, recognizing the value of it. It's a lot of fear. It's a lot of panic going on right now. It could be due to overall market conditions. The overall crypto market is down. We dipped under that 800 billion market cap level. We got some FUD in the space with CZ, of course, with, this whole new Binance situation that people are talking about. Also with the FTX, FBF situation going on. We got the dogecoin situation. So crypto, is a little shaky right now. And also coming up to that 1 year mark, some, people like Ozzy said that bought in later, bought the tops, it's not moving fast enough for them, them not completely understanding how a bear market works, that can make them want to sell a little faster. So keep that in mind as well. But this is an easy opportunity right here to see some decent gains, whether you want to start another bag or just, add some. That's up to you. Or whether you just want to sit on your hands and watch how this plays out, that's good as well. Just keep an eye on it and just pay attention to this. We also got the price trading along the lower Bollinger Band as well, which lets us know that the price is cheap right now for where, what it should be valued at. So this is a steal right now, just putting it out there. Not saying you got to buy, but let's go back to the Twitter page. Okay, see what else we got. Toshi says exactly 1 year ago, 3 to 4 hours after launch, Volt was completely dead at a 70K market cap. Today, Volt and crypto are probably dead once again. See you next year. Volt Inu, Volt Army. So don't underestimate Vatoshi, y'all. You got to connect the dots. When the space is, when you're looking at your portfolio and you see a ton of red, sometimes you just have to take a step back and look at overall market conditions. And that way, it makes it a little bit easier to be able to stomach what's happening. So Meme Coin Daily says this chart provides proves Volt will change lives. Don't miss this. Important. Volt Inu, 400x. We coming through showing love to everybody today. Vatoshi says so many people who made it possible, so many people who voted this year. On to the next one. So obviously Vatoshi is talking longevity. This is something you want to hear with a project. You want to hear a project, talking about the future, not just, we got this one thing coming up. It's good to have a solid track record. Volt Inu has been building throughout this whole time. You haven't seen a downtime, even though the market has been down. Volt Inu has continued to, make partnerships. We are listed on over 100 exchanges. That means we're almost accessible to everyone. We still got a lot of places to, vote, but for the most part, that's I haven't seen any project, listed on this many exchanges in this short of time. So, connect the dots there, y'all. Also, Vatoshi says, shout out to Believes Crypto as well. He's somebody been on the front lines holding it down. He says, Volt Inu update. Vatoshi spoke. Banks incoming. Happy birthday, Volt. Let's retweet that as well. It's been a year of high voltage. Thank you to this insane community. Looking forward to Volt the years to come with you. Shout out to Valerie Crypto, said Volt has done extraordinarily well for a year-old project with 100 exchange listings, numerous utilities and partnerships, an amazing deflationary exchange, multi-change. Volt Inu has made its mark on this year's best crypto list. Exactly. So, think about it. When the markets turn around, people are going to be in line to, tap in with Volt Inu. Also, another lady holding it down. Shout out to the Lady Volt Army as well. Space Chick Crypto is another one that's on the front lines holding it down each and every day with the Volt Army. Also, Ladybug as well. Y'all go show them some love. I'm retweeting everybody. Also, shout out to Ian as well, one of the Volt Inu athletes that, are sponsored fighters and support the Volt Inu Army. So that's a, major right there. Shout out to him. Shout out to Double O Volt. Happy 1 year anniversary. He says, I can't believe what we have accomplished in 1 year. Congratulations to each and every one of the holders. Cheers to the next 5 years and beyond. That's what I'm talking about. Long-term vision right there. So Vatoshi says, how much more will be burned in a year? So tokens burned so far, it looks like 6.8%, which is a huge amount. I'm not sure what the dollar value on that is, but it's millions of dollars of Volt Inu have been burned, y'all. So Crypto for Life says BT Exchange has 120 tokens currently, and Volt Inu is in the top 10 with trading volume. Vote bullish. It's an honor to be competing with blue chips and other meme coins. So let's take a look at this list right here. So we got Bitcoin, Polygon, Ethereum, Archloot, XRP, Litecoin, Tron, Chili's, Volt Inu. So basically saying even more trading volume than Binance USD. So that's or BUSD. So that's nice to see right there. Basically saying Volt Inu is in the top traded tokens, like that. People are highly interested in buying and selling Volt Inu, which is a good sign for the future. So let's see what else we got here. Burns make you vote. Gen X analytics, hyper deflationary assets create scarcity with token burns. Coupled with brilliant utility, it makes for a lucrative coin, hodl. So shout out to them over there at Gen X Analytics. Also use VoltiChange, y'all. You already know, if you want to support the Voinu ecosystem as well as whichever other tokens you're a part of, use voltichange.net. It allows you to burn a percentage of, you know, whatever token that you're trading, making it deflationary, as well as Voinu. So win-win for both projects. So Swap Space says, happy 1 year anniversary to Voinu. Over a year, Volt has gathered an amazing Volt army with 55,000 Volt holders on both BNB and Ethereum. So think about that, 55,000 investors that understand right now. It's in the overall space, it's small, but think about it in the meme coin space, that is massive. We got to remember, only 4 to 5% of the entire world right now are invested in cryptocurrencies. Imagine when that number picks up to around 20, 25, 30%, 40%, you know, Voinu will be in the front line. So keep that in mind. Also, Toshi says, Volt making up 25% of the Poloniex volume, probably nothing. So, you know, we were just listed on that exchange, and Voinu is already making up a quarter of the volume on that entire exchange. So, big news right there, y'all. Shout out to Crypto Che as well, another person on the front lines each and every day, man. He actually pulled up on me out here in Vegas, man. So salute to Che. 1.7 million Volt 24-hour volume divided by 6.8 million Poloniex 24-hour volume plus 25%. So let's see. And then we got Vatoshi popping a bottle saying good morning, happy 1 year anniversary. Let's retweet this as well. And then Vatoshi says, an honor to be mentioned by, we covered that yesterday. But yeah, shout out to the entire Volt army, man. We made it 1 year, another, you know, year to go, another 5 years to go, another 10 years to go. You know, it all depends on your investing journey. Volt is one of those 5 year plus projects for me. So, you know, determine your investment horizon timeline. And you know what to do next, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Shout out to the entire Volt squad, and we are out.